Students, today I am explaining chapter real numbers, exercise 1.1 and question number is 5. The question is, show that one and only one out of n, n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3, where n is any positive integer. Solution is, let n be any positive integer. So given the question is n and n plus 2 and n plus 4 are to be divisible by 3. So I am taking, put n is equals to 3. Then n plus 2 is equals to 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is what? 5. And next n plus 4 value, in place of n I am going to substitute 3. 3 plus 4 is equals to what? 7. Out of these three values, 3 and 5 and 7, this n is equals to 3 only divisible by 3, not the 5 and 7. Therefore, what can we write? N is divisible by 3 but not n plus 2 and n plus 4. Now, put n is equals to 1. n plus 2 is equals to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. And next n plus 4 is equals to 1 plus 4, that is what? 5. In these three values, 1, 3 and 5, these three only divisible by 3, not 1 and 5. Therefore, what can we write now? N plus 2 is divisible by 3 but not n and n plus 4. Now, put n is equals to 2. Then n plus 2 is equals to 2 plus 2, that is what? 4. n plus 4 is equals to 2 plus 4, that is what? 6. Now we are having 2, 4, 6. In these three values, this 6 divisible by 3 but not 2 and 4. Therefore, we can write it now. N plus 4 is divisible by 3 but not n and n plus 2. Therefore, 1 and only 1 out of n, n plus 2 or n plus 4 is divisible by 3. In this question, n, n plus 2 and n plus 4 are there. I am trying to take the values for dividing in the order wise. For n value divisor, I am taking n is equals to 3. So if it is satisfied, this 2 will be not satisfied. Next, if we try to divide the value of n plus 2, take n is equals to 1, then this will be divide not the n and n plus 4. Next, if we want to divide n plus 4 with 3, we have to substitute in n plus is what? 2. Then if the n plus 4 is divisible with 3, not the n and n plus 2. Otherwise, you can take the order wise, n is equals to 1 and n is equals to 2 and n is equals to 3 is also no problem. If you substitute the value of n is equals to 1, then n plus 2 will be divisible by 3 not the n and n plus 4. If you take n is equals to 2, n plus 4 will be divisible by 3, not n and n plus 2. And next, if you take n is equals to 3, n will be divisible by 3, but not n plus 2 and n plus 4.